It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I am here at Guy Fieri's Vegas Kitchen in Las Vegas. And I'm at Guy Fieri's favorite spot. So we're here about 10 o'clock in the evening on a Friday night, and this is the late night menu. It's a limited menu from the regular dinner menu, but there is still plenty to eat. Famously, the trash can nachos. That's one of the signature items of Guy Fieri. There's a lot of good looking food on here. The dynamite shrimp, double barrel barbecue wings, and the big bites. These are the burgers, like the original Ringer burger and the bacon mac and cheese burger. There's even a veggie burger, and of course, desserts. Now, I'm not much of a drinker, but there is a lot to drink here at Guy Fieri's Kitchen and Bar. There are party bolas for $38. I don't even know exactly what that means. Yes, I think so. So could we get the trash can nachos?
Yeah.
I think that's all. We're just going to share that. Awesome. And that's the trash can nachos. There is the Motley Q barbecue. There's corn tortilla chips, a nacho cheese sauce, black beans, pickled red onions. There is cilantro somewhere in there. I love cilantro. I hope there's more. I barely see any. I guess if you don't like cilantro, that's good. Jalapenos, crema, pico de gallo. This has everything. And house smoked pulled pork. Well, this certainly does look like a pile of garbage. Let's see how it tastes. That is good. That's good pulled pork. Doesn't taste like garbage at all. The best thing about these nachos are probably this Motley Q barbecue style pork. I don't know what makes it Motley Q style, but I'm a fan. But the pork itself is sweet. It's got a sweet glaze on it. I could just eat a plate of that. One of the best things about these nachos is that it's layered. Like, there are layers of flavor. It's like, it's not just a pile of nachos covered on the top. Like, there is flavor after flavor after flavor. I'm living in Flavortown. You can also get yourself some Guy Fieri cookbooks, more diners, drive-ins, and dives. We've also got Guy Fieri sauces, bottle openers, napkins, flasks, beer mugs, t-shirts. You can even see this proclamation of Guy Fieri Day, April 4th, 2014. A day that will live in infamy. Now, one thing you might be aware of is food in Las Vegas is very expensive these days. This plate of nachos is $19.50. But with everything going on, I'd say it's worth it. Now, Guy Fieri has lovers and haters. But I gotta say, these nachos, well, I love them. And they definitely don't taste like trash, even though they come in a trash can. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Guy Fieri. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas. I know I'm in Las Vegas, but I feel like I'm living in Flavortown.